Hello, good morning. Welcome to my YouTube channel. This Pops Crypto Crib. If you are joining me for the first time, kindly take your time to watch the video from the beginning to the end because you won't want to miss any part of it. And don't forget to like, share, subscribe to this channel so that by the time we upload a subsequent video, you won't miss out on this. So without any further ado, let's go straight down to our business of the day. Yeah, what I'm actually trying to discuss with you today is about this ZetaChain airdrop. Truly, a lot of airdrop have been flying around on the crypto space, talking about the SWI, talking about the just concluded Arbitrum, Aptos, and the likes. But like every one of them have been doing, they'll tell you that they didn't have they didn't have any information about or airdrop for the community or something like that, which what C just did recently. But I'm telling you about this Zeta chain. Most of them, they'll tell you they didn't have airdrop for the community, but perhaps they have some incentives for the community. So without any further delay, I'll be putting you through some steps in order to get more insight about the project. Subsequently, I'll be putting the links you need. There's a YouTube and Twitter and thread, which will actually be a guide in collaboration with this YouTube channel, YouTube video. So when you have any issue with the video, you didn't really get some part, I think the Twitter link will actually help, and some links of the material used in this video. So without any further delay, let's dive in. So like every other EVM project, like Ethereum virtual machine, so this Zeta chain is deployed on EVM2. So unlike every other EVM project, the test net every one of them is using is Goali. So the first thing you actually need is, first and foremost, you need to connect your MetaMask, which is the recommended wallet. So connecting your MetaMask to the thing is the first thing. So you need to go to chain lists and you add Goali testnet to the MetaMask so that we'll be able to interact with the platform. So after that, the next thing is for you to go added. So after you've added the chain list to your MetaMask, so the next thing is to go on to your Faucet where you get the Goali testnet. So getting the Goali testnet has been a heck of a job nowadays, unlike before. The platform has put a lot of troubles, let me put it like troubles in space in order to get this, because initially all these things are not there and they are reducing the amount of quota they give you for every 24 hours, but nevertheless you still need it. Hopefully by the time the Sepolia they're actually talking about come out, maybe we'll be having less trouble like this. But nevertheless, you sign up for this and gradually faucet, and you need some incentives, like you need to have some fraction of ETH in order to for you to be able to get the Grally of 0.02. So after getting the Grally and you're ready, next thing is to dive into the ZetaChain platform. So all you need to do in this ZetaChain platform, first you need a Twitter account. You need to connect your Twitter and the wallet you just filled with Grally, which you want to use for interaction. So connect your wallet, connect Twitter, and you are ready to go. Yeah, I've connected my wallet and the Twitter. Now you can see it shows, because if you don't do most of it, you won't be able to interact with the platform. So now you can get Zeta, which is the token, testnet token for the platform. You can get it 3 Zeta once in every 24 hours. So you click on get Zeta and you request. So once you request, it will give you 3 Zeta. That's one time in 24 hours, just like how you get the Goali 2 from the Goali platform. So you can interact from Goali, BSC, Binance Smart Chain, Polygon, Mumbai, and Bitcoin, Bitcoin testnet to Omnichain, so you can interact between the thing. So the essence of ZetaChain is like you cross chain, like using a cross chain without you needing to wrap. I'll put this thing in more explanation. Like you want to go from one chain, network chain, like going from Binance chain to Ethereum chain. Normally, if you are doing it in every other bridge platform, you need to wrap one for you wrap something before you do it. But using Zeta chain, that's the development. You don't need to wrap, just cross chain without any wrapping. So that's the service. So after you've getting your value, you can try to swap. So now the swapping is now easier unlike before. You swap once in 7 days. After you swap once in 7 days, you get it in 7,000 points for that whole week. Then you come back after 7 days and do the swapping, and you do it on and on like that. So interact with the platform, and after that, after you've interacted with the platform, you do a lot of things. You do that, you do that. So now you go. So after you interacted with the platform a lot, so you get your role from their Discord. That's what actually leads you to going to the guide, the touching guide. So you get the role and get the hold from gags, which is like a proof of participation. So you get the gags here, you connect your wallet to it. Once you get the claim, you'll be able to claim the role. Can be contributor, guide member, Zeta chain, and the like. Sorry about that. So you get a role, and at the same time you go to gas.com to claim your role by getting your gas oath, which prove your participation and the likes like that. So that much doesn't get much thing more better like that, but you interact with the platform more, and I believe this will actually qualify you to their, don't let me say it, airdrop, because they say there is no airdrop, but from community incentives, tester incentives, and every kind of incentive they actually have for people that interact with the platform. So I'll be putting the link of all the material you need and the link to the Twitter, which will actually guide you if this video is not really so clear enough to you. So thank you for having your time. So don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. Peace out.